Oh, man. The excitement level just went through the roof in this arena. One half of Team Extreme.
The charismatic enigma about to grace the WWE Universe with his presence.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Cameron, North Carolina, weighing in at 225 pounds.
A true daredevil in every sense of the word, Jeff Hardy is immune to fear.
Synonymous with tag team title reigns, a former United States champion, former world heavyweight champion. And what's amazing to think about, guys, is that the career of Jeff Hardy started at just the young age of 16 when he made his WWE debut.
And his opponent from Chicago, Illinois, weighing in at 182 pounds, Mustafa Ali.
Ali's dedicated his life to breaking barriers, challenging stereotypes, and he's continuing to carve out his niche in WWE.
A very motivated young superstar. He says he treats every match like it's a fight for his life.
There's a lot of pride on the line between these two athletes tonight.
Two of the proudest athletes we have ever seen in WWE.
Man, this card is just packed with so many great matches, and this one is definitely among the most anticipated, I'd say.
A former Chicago police officer, Mustafa Ali, is about breaking down misconceptions and entertaining crowds with his high-flying style.
Now, there's a lot of great moves in the cruiserweight division, but the 054 inverted splash may be the most impressive. Oh, no, inverted atomic drop.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Caught him right in the jaw.
Ugh, what a shot.
Boom, right in the button. Boom, what impact. Ooh.
Devastating elbow.
He's starting to show signs of fatigue. Looks like he may have let his guard down there for a moment, and it cost him.
I know it's early, but he has to do everything in his power not to let this get out of hand.
That'll mess up the back of your neck. Vertical suplex.
Nice.
Oh,
You gotta believe this one's over.
Oh, nasty impact.
Drop kick with precision.
Jeff Hardy hurting a little here. Mustafa Ali prides himself on being a role model for everyone to follow their dreams and be the best they can be. He's all about defying preconceived notions and showing the power of ambition. Mustafa Ali might get an early 3 count, and Jeff Hardy forces his way out of the pin.
Well, it looks like the Daredevil wants to take a few more spills.
Why not? Ooh, what impact. Caught with the elbow.
Right on the jaw.
I want to add to the discussion of Mustafa Ali as a role model. You know, this is a guy who has shown time and time again that you can be a winner in WWE, but also earn the respect of everyone around you.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, I got respect for Mustafa Ali, but when he lets opportunities like the Cruiserweight Classic and his WrestleMania title opportunity slip away, I lose it bit by bit. At some point, he needs to learn that glory beats adulation.
Frog splash!
Give it 5 stars.
What a stomp!
Good grief.
Boom! Oh, my goodness!
Jam your leg in a bad way.
Looking for the quick cover is Jeff Hardy. And the kick out by Ali.
Yeah, it's going to take more than that.
Oh, from behind.
Yeah, I don't believe that he didn't win this match right there.
Not even close.
On the shoulders here.
And it could be a long way down from there.
Beautiful technique.
Going to the top. High risk.
Look out!
Who knows what's going to happen? This match could go anywhere.
He's looking a little weary here. He doesn't want to absorb much more punishment if he wants to win this match.
Ooh! What a stomp!
Good grief!
Oh, incredible combo.
That's what you call a bad landing.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
This might be it!
Oh my! Just when you thought he had nothing left.
He's looking for the win. Jeff Hardy scores the victory. Let's take another look at these guys getting after it.
Almost forgot about this one. Check this out. He was on point the entire match, as you can see here.
Here is your winner, Jeff Hardy.
There's no doubt about it. That's a big pinfall win right there.
Wow, when you pick up a pinfall victory over somebody like that, you've done something right.
What a match that was, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining us.